When I'm home in Italy with my mom, we spend the day together making ravioli. They're so easy to make, perfect for sharing with family and friends, and they are always a hit. Let me show you how to make it. Let's start by making a very simple, fresh pasta dough. Make a well in the center and crack the egg inside. Whisk the eggs together in the middle, collect the flour slowly, and then carry on until you absorb all of the flour. Knead it for 5 minutes, then cover it and let it rest while we make the filling. For the filling, we're gonna make it nice and simple. Ricotta, basil, lemon zest, cheese, salt, and black pepper. Give it a good mix all together and taste it for seasoning. All you have left to do is to shape it into ravioli. Roll the pasta into a really thin sheet. Then add a spoonful of the ricotta filling for each raviolo. Fold the pasta over the filling and then go with your hands all around. I'm gonna use a biscuit cutter to shape it into mezzaluna, half moon ravioli. Place them over a flour tray. Now that we've done all the hard work making the ravioli, we need a quick and easy and delicious tomato sauce. And for this one, I'm gonna use Mutti pasta sauce with garlic. All I'm gonna do is add a few leaves of fresh basil. I'm gonna cook the tomato sauce for 5 minutes, which is just enough time to cook the ravioli. To plate up, I'm gonna make a base with a few tablespoons of tomato sauce, and then I'm gonna go with the cooked ravioli straight on top. Top it with more tomato sauce, and finish with loads of cheese on top. Look at that, incredible. Creamy, saucy, delicious. So good.